Hello world! I recently figured out how to create a render farm, an ad hoc render farm, with Blender, Luxrender, and a few extra machines. Over here I have a laptop computer. It has dual core running at 1.4 gigahertz. And then over here I have a compact desktop running at around 3 gigahertz. You can see that I have my test scene in Blender, and also here's Luxrender. This is the render window, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but under the network it shows that 2 machines are assisting with the rendering. Now, the way I was able to achieve this with Luxrender is I downloaded the 32-bit Linux binaries, installed them into the user bin directory on the Linux machines via SSH, and then I executed the machines to be servers. So the main renderer on the compact could send out the jobs to each of the render nodes. So I altogether have about 7 gigahertz worth of processing power in this very simple setup. I have the laptop, the desktop machine, and I also recruited my brother's 2.6 gigahertz workstation. And all I had to do with this was just turn it on. I logged in via SSH and started the machine, the Lux console program on that machine. Now with this setup, it's very easy to set up any machine in the house, whether it be Linux, Windows, or Mac, with Luxrender, since it's a cross-platform, and use any of the machine's CPUs to render whatever you can export to, whatever you can bring into Luxrender. Of course, I use Blender since it's open source, but it's very extensible, and you can use it with any of the mainstream rendering with mainstream modeling packages.